Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. The mission of my channel is to introduce you to popular science and to create a popular science encyclopedia on YouTube. We are back with an interesting popular science video. I would be very happy if you support me by subscribing to my channel and writing a comment. If you are ready, let's start the video. What is a Kozyrev mirror? Kozyrev mirrors are a type of device that is said to have a variety of unusual properties, including the ability to focus radiation, slow down time, and even allow for telepathic communication. The mirrors were developed by Russian scientist Nikolai Kozyrev in the 1950s, and they have been the subject of much controversy ever since. A Kozyrev mirror is typically made from a spiral of aluminum foil or other reflective material. The mirror is designed to focus radiation from all directions onto a central point. Kozyrev believed that this focusing effect could be used to create a variety of unusual phenomena, such as the Kozyrev mirrors are a topic associated with a controversial and somewhat fringe theory in the field of Russian parapsychology and pseudoscience. The theory is often attributed to the Russian astrophysicist Nikolai Kozyrev, who developed ideas related to time, energy, and the paranormal. However, it's important to note that Kozyrev's work remains highly controversial and is not widely accepted by the scientific community. Kozyrev's ideas revolve around the concept of torsion fields, or time density, which he believed could be harnessed for various purposes, including psychic abilities, healing, and even time travel. He claimed that specially crafted mirrors, known as Kozyrev mirrors, could amplify these fields or manipulate time in some way. These mirrors were made from specific materials and shapes to capture and reflect these purported torsion fields. Kozyrev believed that Kozyrev mirrors could slow down time inside the mirror. He claimed to have experimental evidence to support this claim, but his work has never been replicated by other scientists. The mystery of Kozyrev mirrors. The mystery of Kozyrev mirrors is why so many people believe in their powers despite the lack of scientific evidence. Some people believe that Kozyrev mirrors work on a subtle level that is difficult to measure scientifically. Others believe that Kozyrev mirrors tap into a hidden dimension of reality. Scientific evidence. There is no scientific evidence to support the claims that Kozyrev mirrors can slow down time, enhance ESP, or have any other unusual properties. Kozyrev's work has been criticized by other scientists for being poorly designed and for lacking rigor. Despite the lack of scientific evidence, Kozyrev mirrors remain popular among some people who believe in alternative science and pseudoscience. Kozyrev mirrors are also sometimes used in art and performance art. It is also possible that the belief in the powers of Kozyrev mirrors is simply a matter of wishful thinking. People may want to believe that Kozyrev mirrors can do things like slow down time and enhance ESP because these are things that many people find appealing. Extrasensory perception, ESP. Kozyrev also believed that Kozyrev mirrors could enhance ESP abilities. He claimed that people sitting inside a Kozyrev mirror could communicate telepathically with each other. Biological effects. Kozyrev also believed that Kozyrev mirrors could have a variety of biological effects on plants and animals. He claimed that plants grown inside Kozyrev mirrors grew faster and that animals exposed to Kozyrev mirrors lived longer. It's crucial to stress that mainstream science does not recognize the existence of torsion fields or support the claims made by Kozyrev. The idea of manipulating time or harnessing such fields for paranormal phenomena lacks empirical evidence and is considered pseudoscientific. As a result, Kozyrev's work remains outside the realm of established scientific understanding. In popular culture, the concept of Kozyrev mirrors has been explored in various books, films, and documentaries, often within the context of paranormal or science fiction themes. However, it's essential to approach these claims with skepticism and a critical mindset, as they are not based on accepted scientific principles or rigorous research. If you come across any information related to Kozyrev mirrors or similar topics, it's advisable to evaluate the sources critically and consult reputable scientific literature to gain a better understanding of the scientific consensus on the matter. Dear friend, I hope you benefited from the video. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoy content like this, Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated with new videos. Also, if you liked it, be sure to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Looking forward to seeing you again with new videos. I can't wait to bring you more knowledge from the enchanting world of science.